Hi! Good morning, guys! Hello, everyone! Good morning! Wherever you are, I'm sending all of my greetings to all of you. So, time check is 7:55 in the morning. So, today is September 16, 2023. And guess what, guys? Today is the day that my dental appointment. So, tatanggalin na yung brace ko mamayang 2 p.m. after 3 years and 11 months. So, tapos na guys, yung lower ko, last 6 months ago, pero yung upper ko, ngayon pa lang siya tatanggalin. I hope later. So, after 3 years and 11 months, di ba ang tagal guys? Sobrang tagal. And I'm so excited. Kasi okay na siya. Ganyan. So, ayun, I'm so excited kasi matagal na akong naka-brace and after itong matanggal later, mag-aantay ako ng 1 week para dumating yung retainer. So, kailangan ko magsuot guys ng retainer para ma-maintain ko yung alignment ng ngipin ko, which is kailangan talaga magsuot. Kasi baka bumalik po yung big gap. Kasi meron akong pangit na ngipin dito guys. Maliit siya na parang baby rabbit tooth. So, yun ang tinanggal. So, matagal akong bungi. And matagal nag-compress yung aking ngipin. So, ayun. Namaya, gagawa ako ng konting vlog. Pero, ayun. I'm so excited lang. And before anything else, ayan, magkakape ako. So, meron akong gray taste. Ayan. And excited ako talaga. Super excited. Shout out sa mga naka-brace dyan. Hello po. Sa mga bagong nag-brace dyan, shout out sa inyo. I know masakit siya. Pero sooner, masasanay ka din. Pero best way talaga ang brace kapag ikaw ay may something na hindi maganda sa iyong ngipin. So, as sabi ng dentist ko, as much as best na kung mayroon kang problem sa ngipin, magpa-check ka, huwag kang mag-decide basta-basta. So, maglalagay ako guys ng ng black na kape kasi nakukulangan ako sa tapang ng gray taste. So, masarap. Ito yung mug ng kapatid ko. Ayan ang kapatid ko. Nasa mug. Mug to galing sa company na. So, ganon. Pero kung ako ang tatanungin guys, mas bet ko yung brace compare sa retainer. Kasi yung retainer, sobrang hassle siya. Kakain ka, tatanggalin mo, mag-toothbrush. Pag kasi brace, nakapix na siya sa ngipin ko. So, kailangan ko na lang maging aware sa kinakain ko at mag-toothbrush. Pero yung retainer kasi, kailangan mo talaga siyang tanggalin. Di ba? Mapago ka kumain. Pero kapag mga drinks, hindi ko siya tinatanggal. Pero pag kakain ako ng mga main dish, lalo na kung mga matigas, kailangan ko siyang tanggalin. So anyway guys, that's it for now. And I'll be back later. Babalitaan ko kayo. So, ayos sa gusto nyo. Charot. Anyway guys, have a good day. Happy Saturday. Finally, few moments later guys, this is it. So this is now my final smile. So shout out to all my co-Filipina Bicolana. Shout out to all of you and to everyone who watching my vlog. Thank you guys. And yeah, so this is now the smile. I've waited this for so long guys, 3 years and 11 months, my goodness. But now look at that, so sweet smile and I'm so happy. So, for those who want to try to have a brace, don't be afraid, guys. You just need to find a very good dentist. And first, you need to inquire and plan everything. So, yeah. I'm so happy, guys. Everything is worth it. The money, the effort, and everything. So, see? Look at that smile. Sweet smile. Thanks guys for watching.